Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. This lecture video is going to be part 4, in the Excel series for options. We started with learning how to define options, and use them in Excel in the first video. In the second one, we learned to calculate price of call and put options. In the third video we saw how to calculate the value of Greeks of the options, delta and gamma. And in this video we will learn how to calculate the value of theta for put and call options. So as usual we'll proceed to our OneNote notebook, and we'll have a brief discussion on the significance of theta. Theta basically denotes the time erosion of an option. So if you have ever traded options, you must have known that the value of the options erodes as the time to expiration comes closer. And the value of theta quantifies the erosion. Since theta denotes the erosion value, its value is always negative. So, first of all, we will go ahead and discuss the formulas for put theta and call theta, which are given by two different formulas, and then we'll proceed to Visual Basic and code out functions for the same. So as you can see on the screen, we have the value of call theta and put theta, where we have introduced a new term capital T which signifies the number of trading days in a year. By now, we're comfortable with the terms underlying price, strike price, time to expiration, rate of interest, and sigma is volatility. So the value of call theta equals 1 over T, whole multiplied by negative of S, times sigma, times exponent of negative D1 square over 2, divided by 2 times, square root of 2 pi times T, and the expression minus R times X times exponent of negative R times T, times cumulative normal distribution of D2. The value of the put theta is similar except a positive sign replaces the negative sign. We have also used the terms D1 and D2 a couple of times in our previous videos, so it would be no surprise that we are going to use the same functions in writing the functions for call theta and put theta. So now we will go ahead and open our Excel file from the last video where we already have functions for D1 and D2. We'll create a function to call theta, and we'll create another function for put theta, as per the mathematical formula discussed. Again, we'll be using the worksheet functions and application variables wherever required. The formula, in the text format, can be found in my GitHub repo, and the link shall be shared in the description section. Once we have the formulas in place, we'll go ahead and save, and close the Visual Basics code editor, and proceed to our Excel workbook, to use the function. As usual, we'll get the parameters from NSE India's site, and then, we'll try to use the functions to calculate the values. So, as you can see, we have calculated the value of call theta and put theta using the functions we defined. We won't be able to get the value of theta from public sources, so you can go ahead and calculate and compare it to value provided by your broker, in case he provides. We have two more Greeks, namely Vega and Rho, but we won't be calculating them in Excel. In case you have any doubt, you can shoot your questions in the comments section, and I'll be replying to them. Moving further, from the next video we'll be discussing payoff for call and put options. Till then, keep enjoying and keep learning. Thank you.